Good afternoon, everybody. It's MrDoTheMath here on this wonderful St. Patrick's Day, right? I have on my green. You got on your green?
I got some green in my pocket.
In your pocket. That's a good green to have. All right. Today we're going to talk about the surface area of cones. All right. The surface area of cones. All right. When you're dealing with a cone, you have a circle at the bottom, and the cone is consisted of somewhat of a triangle, but it's going around a circular base, right? So the area for our surface area for a cone is going to be something situated around the radius of the base circle, and also the slant, right? This is called the slant height, right? The slant height. In order to find the slant height, you're dealing with what we call a right triangle. All right. So the steps to finding the surface area would be to first and foremost find the slant height. Find the slant height. And in order to find the slant height, they're going to give you the radius or the circumference of the base circle, and they're going to give you the height of the cone. So to find the slant height, you will use Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared, and that's going to give you L, all right, the slant height, all right, and well, it'll be L squared. To have L, you would take the square root of whatever a squared plus b squared is, okay? After you find L, the second thing you want to do is you want to rewrite the given you want to rewrite and add the given information. You're going to have your radius, and you're going to have your slant height, which is L, into this formula. So you're going to rewrite the formula. The formula being pi r squared, that's the area of the circle, plus pi r h. So, is it pi r h or pi? It's h. I think it's h. Right. Is it h? I think it's h. It's h or L? No, it's L. It's L. Pi r L. H is the height. H is the height. We need L, which is the slant height, right? So this is the radius of the circle, and this is your slant height, okay? Once you find your slant height, once you rewrite the formula, the next thing you want to do is you want to simplify. All right, you want to simplify the formula, right? And when you simplify, you're going to leave pi. You're going to leave pi in the expression. Do not multiply by pi. Okay. So after you've left pi in the expression, you're going to add your numbers. You're going to add all your numbers excluding pi. Alright? Once you add all your numbers excluding pi, you have a number times pi. And finally, step 5, you're going to multiply pi and round. You're going to either round to the nearest whole number or the nearest hundredth, right? So let's look at an actual example here. So we're going to come over here to this part of the board. Alright? We're going to go to this part of the board here. Alright, so let's see. We have a cone here. Do you have some lengths for a cone? Let's look at this cone here. Alright, so we got this cone here, and it has a radius of 5, and the height of the cone, do you have a height for this cone?
12.
Right here?
12.
Alright, so the height of the cone is 12. Alright, we need to find L. So, step 1, find the slant height.
12 squared.
So it's going to be, 12 squared plus 5 squared. That's going to equal L squared. 12 squared plus 5 squared is going to be 144 plus 25 equals L squared. 144 plus 25 is 169. Take the square root of 169 and it gives you L. L equals 13. So we found L. That's the first step. Find L. Number 2, you're going to rewrite this formula with your L value, which is 13, and your radius. So that's going to be pi times r squared. 5 is the radius, right? Plus pi times r times L, which is 13. Okay? You rewrote the formula here. Alright? Next, you want to simplify. Right? You want to simplify leaving the pi in the expression. So we have 25 pi here. You good with that?
Girl.
Plus 55. No, 65 pi. I'm sorry. 65 pi. 5 times 13. 65 pi. We good with that?
Yep.
Alright, so the next thing you want to do is you want to add all the numbers excluding pi. Add all the numbers excluding pi. So there's going to be 25 plus 65. That gives us 90 pi. 90 pi. Okay? And then finally you multiply pi. So what's 90? What's 90 times pi? 90 times pi should be 280 what? 280.
282.74.
Once you wrote it up.
0.7. So yeah, you get 283.
I had it.
Very good. Alright, so this is the surface area. Alright, now, a lot of times, well, ladies, we've been asking for the lateral area as well. The lateral area is the area everything minus the circle, the base, right? So, your lateral area would be 65 pi. This is the lateral area. So what would 65 pi be? 65 times pi is
204.2.
204.2. Alright, so, or 204. Okay? So, that is your lateral area. So again, first thing you're going to do is you're going to find the slant height by using the Pythagorean theorem.
Is that for every cone?
For every cone, you find the slant height first. Now sometimes they're going to give you the slant height so you can just go straight into the formula.
Okay.
Then you're going to rewrite the formula using your radius and your new slant height, right? Because this is the formula here. Pi r squared plus pi rl. Then from here you're going to simplify, leaving the pi in, just like we did over there. And after that we're going to add all the numbers excluding pi and then multiply pi at the end. Alright? You multiply pi at the end so you have a more accurate answer. Alright? You have a more accurate answer. Alright? And that's how we basically find the surface area cones. Okay? Let's do the math out.